Phantom limb sensation. Someone loses an arm in an accident. Weeks later, they feel their missing hand itching. They reach to scratch it, but there's nothing there. The arm is gone, but the feeling remains. Their brain still has a map of the limb. The sensation exists without the body part. Sleep paralysis. You wake up in the middle of the night. You try to move, but nothing happens. Your arms won't lift. Your legs won't shift. You're fully awake but completely frozen. Your mind is on but your body is still asleep. You can see the room but you can't move in it. Pins and needles. You sit with your legs crossed too long. When you stand up, your foot feels like it's filled with static. You can't feel it properly but you feel something intense. Blood flow was reduced. Nerves were compressed. Now they're waking back up. The sensation isn't the problem. It's the recovery. Muscle twitching. You're sitting still and your eyelid starts jumping. You didn't move it. It won't stop. A small part of your muscle is contracting on its own. You're not controlling it. Your nerves are firing without permission. It happens when you're tired or stressed. Your body is moving itself. Sudden random shivers. You're sitting in a warm room and a shiver runs down your spine. You're not cold. Nothing scared you. Your body activated a temperature response without a temperature problem. A reflex fired for no clear reason. The shiver happened, but the cause didn't. Brain freeze. You eat something cold too fast. Pain shoots through your forehead. Your brain doesn't hurt. The cold hit the roof of your mouth. Blood vessels reacted. The pain is being sent to the wrong place. Your mouth caused it, but your head feels it. Ringing in the ears. You're in a quiet room, but you hear a constant ringing. No one else hears it. There's no sound being made. Your ear or nerve is sending signals when nothing is there. The noise is inside you. Silence doesn't stop it. Déjà vu. You walk into a room you've never been in before, but you're certain you've seen it. You remember standing in this exact spot. Your brain is telling you this moment already happened, but it didn't. Your memory system is recognizing something new as if it's old. The feeling is real. The memory is not. Why you can't tickle yourself. You try to tickle your own ribs. Nothing happens. Someone else touches the same spot and you flinch and laugh. Your brain knows when you're about to touch yourself. It cancels the surprise. When someone else does it, your brain doesn't predict it. The touch is identical, but the reaction is not. Goosebumps. You hear a song and tiny bumps rise on your arms. You didn't make them appear. Your skin is reacting without your choice. Hair tries to stand up even though you barely have any there. Your body is using a system meant for warmth and fear. It doesn't help you anymore, but it still activates. Hypnic jerks. You're falling asleep and suddenly your whole body jolts. You didn't decide to move. Your muscles contracted all at once. You weren't dreaming yet. Your nervous system sent a signal while shutting down. Your body twitched itself awake. Yawning contagion. Someone across the room yawns. Seconds later, you yawn too. You weren't tired before. You didn't decide to yawn. Seeing them do it made you do it. Your brain mirrored their action automatically. You caught a yawn like it's contagious, but nothing passed between you.